Grade 4, Grade 5, para may idea ka na.
What is being asked in the problem?
The amount is spent on other expenses. How will you solve the problem? Find the amount is spent on house rent.
1/6
Times 18,000. 6, 18,000. Magiging 3,000. Kung nalilito, 6 at 18 muna. Skip count mo yung 6 hanggang 18. 6, 12, 18, 3. And then idagdag mo yung tatlong 0 sa 18,000, magiging 3,000. Shortcut ito na pwedeng gamitin.
ganito sa standard.
Kapag may whole number, may denominator na 1 yan. So, fraction na. I-multiply na natin. 1 times 18,000, 18,000. Ito. And then 6 times 1, 6. Kailangan mong i-divide. 18,000 divided by 6, 3,000. Mas maganda yung kanina, simplify agad. So, Rita spends 3,000 on house rent. Next is find the amount spent on food. 1/3 times 18,000. 3, 18,000. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 6. Idagdag mo yung tatlong 0, 6,000. Acceptable ang ganitong solution. Next is find the total amount spent on house rent and food. I-add natin 3,000 plus 6,000 equals 9,000. Next is subtract the total expenses from her earnings. Yung earnings niya na 18,000 at ang kanyang expenses 9,000 equals 9,000 pesos. Rita spends 9,000 on her expenses. Check natin kung tama ang sagot. House rent, 3,000 pesos. Food, 6,000 pesos. Other expenses, 9,000 pesos. I-add lang natin. 3 plus 6 plus 9. 18,000.